guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, I'm bringing you a shrimp ceviche. Really easy to put together. I have my own take on it that I'm sharing with you. This is perfect for Lent season. This is perfect for the holidays that's coming up, especially since it's Easter right around the corner. It's like about a month away. Perfect to make. It's a crowd pleaser. It's delicious. It's fresh. It's amazing and totally simple to make. So now let's get right to it, and I'm going to walk you over the basic ingredients to get this started. Alright, my friends, so let's begin. Right here I have 1 pound of shrimp that are cleaned, deveined, and I just left the tails on. I have here salt and pepper that we're going to put on the brine, and over here is additional salt for the water. I'm going to explain about the water in just a few minutes. And over here I have an array of things going on. Alright, my friends, so here is what we're going to need to finish off with the salad with. We have red and yellow sweet bell peppers. I have cilantro. We're going to use a good handful of that. Then over here are citrus brined. I have 2 large oranges, 4 limes, 4 lemons, and I have 1 red onion, and that's all you're gonna need to get this started. So before we begin on this very easy recipe, I do want to share with you that this ceviche is a cooked ceviche. Now, typically you don't have to cook it because the citrus juices from the lemon, the lime, and the orange, the acid is what's going to cook down the shrimp. But to be honest with you, I don't trust that, because when you bite into the shrimp, it's still going to taste raw. It doesn't taste like it's been pan fried or sauteed or what have you. So, and I don't want to get anybody sick. So my thing is, I'm just going to boil it in some water with a little bit of salt, and once it cooks for about 7 minutes tops, you're just waiting for the shrimp to get all pink, and you know it's going to happen just like that. I'm going to remove it from the water so it can stop its cooking process, because one thing you must understand is if you overcook your shrimps, it's going to taste rubbery. You don't want that neither. Now, if you want to use pre-cooked shrimps, well, you can, but to me, those don't have any flavor, so I personally wouldn't recommend it or bother with it myself. So, the choice is yours, and now let's begin. Okay, my friends, I have here a small pot boiling, and I'm just going to place some salt to taste so that it can at least cook up in some type of flavor. And then I'm going to place all of my shrimps in here, and remember, it just needs to cook down for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your shrimp turns all pink, then we're going to remove, and we're going to reserve some of the shrimp stock. Alright guys, so I'm starting on cutting into my yellow sweet bell pepper. I already finished with the red, and then that's all to it. You just make it bite-sized pieces, or really whatever size you want this to be. So I think bite-sized pieces is better. They can grab, they can be able to eat the shrimp at the same time with the bell peppers. So I'm going to continue on here, and then I'm going to show you what else I do. So next I'm going to cut an onion. I'm using a medium onion. I don't like too much onions in mine, so if you want more, then you can put more. That's all it is to it. Alright, next on my chopping board, I am going to chop up some fresh cilantro. And you want to go nice and heavy with it, maybe about a half a cup or so. I mean, fresh cilantro really gives off a great flavor. So I say you want to put about 1/3 cup or so. Perfect. Yeah, 1/3 cup. This will do. The next thing you want to put in your salad is now some fresh citrus. Try to find, when you look for the limes or the lemons, try to find the lemon or the lime with a soft skin. Chances are those are going to be so juicy. So you just want to remove any pits and squeeze on out. First, I'm going to use this way. Make sure I grab all the pits that fall. And this one is really juicy. Look at that. I hardly have to put any strength in this. And that's how you want to choose the right citrus, is with the soft skins. Look at that, nice and juicy. Perfect. Now, in this particular dish, in this particular dish, you can put a lot of citrus in here. I mean, you can make it all lemon or lime if you want, totally to your preference. Look at that one. That one came out so juicy. I hardly had to really squeeze it so much. So. And I'm going to continue on until I'm finished with everything. See you right back. Alright guys, this is my last citrus, which is an orange. And I have put everything in there already. And the orange is just going to balance out the flavors from all the sourness that's going on. Which, let me tell you, it smells insanely good in here already. And I can't wait to give it a taste. Alright, so it's okay if some of the pulp goes in there. I'm just going to give it a good little toss. Now look at all that. Look at all those juices from the citruses that we had, well, I had squeezed in there. The lime, the lemon, and now the orange. Oh, it smells crazy good. I'm just going to get a little taste of the citrus juice because I know it's phenomenal already. Wow, it is delicious. I'm going to put some salt and pepper. Even though we seasoned up the shrimps, but this needs a little bit seasoning as well. Just a little bit goes a long way. That's it. Salt and pepper, pretty simple, and you want to keep this pretty simple. This Ecuadorian style ceviche is perfect as it is. It's just the naturalness of the citruses and cilantro in here. You don't want to mess with it any more than what it is. It's pretty tasty. And right now these are my cooked shrimp that I let it cool off. And I'm just going to pour them right in here. And I'm going to give this a nice toss. And typically this salad is really dressed with a lot of liquids. Now if you want, you can squeeze in more lemons and limes and orange, but I don't think that's necessary. I have saved 2 cups of the reserved shrimp stock, and I want it to taste like shrimp as well. So to boost up the flavor of the shrimp, I'm just going to add it, and this is cooled off, by the way. I'm just going to add 1 cup at a time and see where we at. And it smells insanely good in here, guys. Insanely good. Wow, it's absolutely, look at the colors. It's like springtime colors. Oh my God, it's so good. Well, I'm just gonna add a little bit more. So you're gonna probably need around a cup or 2, depending how juicy you want your salad to be. And then that's pretty much it. This is all done. This is gonna marinate. So it's better to do this a day before. You will get definitely better results once this marinades overnight. Now, if you press for time, allow this to marinate in the refrigerator for up to 2 hours, 3 hours, but the flavors will certainly intensify more if it was left overnight. Alright guys, that's it. Our salad is pretty much complete, but it needs some time to marinate with those deep flavors that we have put in here right in the refrigerator. It's some time to sit in the refrigerator either for 2 hours or overnight. This along the side some rice, white rice, arroz con gandules, or totones, whichever you want to eat this with. This will be divine, or even by itself it is, and I know you're gonna like it. So thank you so much for joining me today in my kitchen. You know it's always a pleasure having you cook along with me. Make this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video, and follow me on my social media sites, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.